Hello, this is Jeremy Vet, 661 John FK page. That is cold ass shit to be riding in. They didn't have that heated gear. I say, fuck that shit. I ain't riding that motherfucker. They didn't have the heated gear or the anti-lock brakes. Nah, done. They riding that shit. I accidentally went across the Verrazzano Bridge today because my damn GPS. Real sketchy at best when it comes to that area. Because the place I was looking for, the place I was going to, was pretty close to that area. So direct me back over the bridge and come back. I'm like, what kind of shit is that? So I did what it did. Tell me to do. But anyway, I got up on that damn bridge. Normally my bike looks like this, but it was like this, fighting the wind sideways going across the bridge. I was leaning sideways the whole way. The wind was that hard. I took the low deck. Should have probably took the upper deck. The low deck is probably going to fit like a wind tunnel between the two fins, upper and the lower deck. But anyway, pretty wicked. Well, anyway, I got the thermal underwear, got my collection of thermal underwear done. Got 5 pairs. And I'm pretty much set for the winter. And that's about it. Next week, we're going to have an 11 degree night. Ooh, doggies. Trying to freeze the doggies. Up anyway. I'll give you another video blog here soon.